The Smartslitter. This is the first introduction of this product in the world here at this show. The Smartslitter is capable of running a parent sheet size of 14.3 by 26.3. The minimum sheet size it'll run is 8.5 by 8.5. The smallest finished product that I can deliver is 2 inches by 2 inches. The system is capable of doing slitting, gutter cutting, edge trimming, creasing, perforating, and skip perforation or on-off perforation in the direction of the feed. And it's capable of doing all those same processes basically across the width of the sheet as well. When I run this machine for you in a few moments, I've loaded 4 different jobs into the feeder. The first job I'm going to run for you is 21 up business cards on a 12 by 18 sheet. The next job is going to be a 2 up direct mail piece with a 3 by 5 tear off reply card. The next job is going to be redemption coupons run on an 80-pound gloss tech stock with 6 redemption coupons tear off done with T perforations. And the last job I'm going to run for you is 4 up greeting cards with full color bleed and matrix creasing across the card. I'm not going to do any manual or mechanical setup or changeover for that. That's all done automatically by reading a code. By reading a code that's been printed on the sheet. This particular case, I'm reading a data matrix code. But the system does come standard with our camera reading system that will read a QR code, data matrix, code 39128. I can register to a print register mark or an OMR mark. What I mean by that is the system also comes standard with automated image shift registration to accommodate for image shift on the digital print engine. So how do you set a job up? We don't need to have a separate PC, for example, to do that. We come to our setup screen. We simply tell the machine the length of the sheet, the width of the sheet, say OK, tell it the finished piece size, my gutter size and edge trim size, say OK, and the job is set up. I then store that job to memory. I can store up to 200 jobs in memory. If that's not enough, you plug your USB thumb drive in, download those 200, now you have another. So basically it's infinite job storage. So now any job that's been set up and is a saved format job, I'm going to read a code on the sheet that's being fed and it's going to pull that out of memory and set up automatically. So again, every single sheet in there could be a different job going through the machine. So let's run something because I've been doing a lot of talking and this funky Rhode Island accent's probably wearing on you. So we're going to hit this green button and the tray goes to its feeding height. Air sheet separation separates the sheet. We utilize vacuum belts to feed the sheet. The light source is going to turn on. We're going to feed the sheet in and read the data matrix. Now all of my tools are automatically adjusting. So now I'm producing business cards. There you go. Oh, I'm sorry, he's the giraffe. We can have him. There you go, that one's yours. Takasuwa-san, could you take... So, we're producing the business cards. Again, this particular job right here, when I was running it yesterday, I was running these cards at about 22,000 cards an hour I was putting through the machine. Now, I just ran the, if you look inside the machine right now, this is the last of the business cards. Come in and see it change over. You missed it. It already changed over. That was about a second and a half, a 2-second changeover time. So from the business card, the very next sheets that are coming out is that direct mail piece I was talking about. So if you look at the direct mail piece, we have an L perforation to tear off our business reply card. Now once we finish that job, the next job that's coming in is a completely different substrate and a completely different perf pattern. So again, full bleed trim and This is a little bit difficult to see, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coupons, and they happen to be different sizes. And again, utilizing the T perforation, we're able to peel that off. But again, notice the weight of this stock compared to the business card stock, the postcard stock, and the next one, which is a 14-point greeting card. I'm not making any changes to my feed system. It's automatically accommodating all this range of material. By specification, it's 17 point, but I've actually run heavier than that.